TFX-5000 ultrasonic clamp-on flow and energy meter is very critical to allow long-term energy and flow measurements within an HVAC system. Not only is it very easy to install, but it is very easy to maintain. In fact, it requires very little maintenance over the life of the product.
By having the flow and energy data back from that system just means that the monitoring can stay live and the efficiencies will be present, because it will flag up immediately if the flow rates have changed within the parameters set by the BMS system. And also, if the energy consumption starts to increase or spike, we can look back at that and analyze what the problems are. So it's picking up lots of different bits of information from the flow circuits. Therefore, the long-term benefits of using a TFX-5000 and having the flow and energy data live back to the BMS enables the systems to stay running correctly, which will result in an extended operational lifetime.
It's actually very straightforward to install the Dynasonics TFX-5000 on an HVAC system. There's no requirement to cut the pipe, shut down the system, or drain the plant at all. And it can actually be undertaken very quickly by one operator in probably about an hour's work.
In general, as long as the installation criteria has been implemented, and as long as the installer is able to use the SolarQ setup software, it is not a long process and very simple to do. I think the main benefit from my point of view is the costs of draining down a flow circuit and the associated downtime and inconvenience for the building operators. It takes away all of that.
The Dynasonics TFX-5000 can be fitted to HVAC systems retrospectively. Not only can we reduce labour costs as the sensors are mounted outside the pipe, there's no need to cut the pipe, no need to drain the system. So it can be deployed very quickly and easily to provide better oversight to systems.
Within the HVAC industry, we do see a lot of retrospective retrofit projects where the TFX-5000 is used because of the ease of installation and because of the non-requirement for shutting the system down. An inline instrument such as the electromagnetic flow meter would be far more troublesome to install.
Although the TFX-5000 ultrasonic transit time flow meter is not in contact with the liquid, the sensors are mounted outside of the pipe. It uses a very sophisticated sampling method that uses two sensors that fire upstream and downstream, and we can measure the velocity of the liquid within the pipe. As we know the diameter of the pipe, once we program the device, we're able to actually calculate the volume, and using temperature sensors, we can also measure the energy use in real time. Although there are certain pipes that are a little bit more challenging when considering clamp-on ultrasonic flow and energy meters, for the majority of the time in HVAC systems, we're able to operate very effectively. Some pipes, such as concrete or rubber line pipes, can sometimes be a little bit more problematic, but in HVAC systems we don't typically find these.
It's all to do with the information that's put in the SolarQ software. So, you know, if it's PVC, if it's carbon steel or stainless steel, etc., then it's going to work perfectly well.
The Dynasonics range of ultrasonic clamp-on flow and energy meters was specifically designed to seamlessly integrate into building management systems. So we offer control protocols such as Modbus RTU, BACnet MSTP, Modbus TCP/IP, and BACnet IP. This allows us to communicate directly with the building management system to provide accurate and real-time data. We also have data loggers on board as well, so that we can download the data directly from the device if we need to. And not only that, we can connect our TFX-5000 devices to our Orion NB-IoT cellular endpoints, and we can visualize all of that data within our AquaQ software platform.